Hello newbies! We are very happy to see you in the second lecture of the Forex Basics module. Now, I do understand that most of you are very eager to start trading Forex. I will ask you to hold your horses, finish this lesson, finish the rest of the module before you start your first investment because Forex is quite complicated. In this lesson, you will begin to see a few more basic concepts and practical terminology that you will definitely need in Forex trading. In the last lecture, we introduced to you Forex market and some of its features. In here, we will teach you how to read a quote and discuss what are base currency and counter currency. A currency pair. A currency pair is basically a quotation of two different currencies. The format is usually listed as on the slide. One of the most basic concepts we should definitely get familiar with is the ISO currency code, and you will certainly get familiar with them as you continue on Forex trading. Basically, a code represents a particular currency, and here's a list of examples. In this column, it shows you the currency type: Canadian dollar, European dollar, US dollar, and Japanese yen. And in this column, it shows you the ISO code, which corresponds to that particular currency. What is a currency quote? A currency quote basically tells you the last price that a currency pair is traded at. And here you'll begin to see some of the ISO codes that we discussed. For instance, Euro and USD dollars were traded at 1.1702. This means you would need 1.1702 USD to purchase 1 euro. Currency quotes are changing throughout the day as new transactions occur. For example, this currency pair showing here on the slide might be traded at this value at this minute, but it might be traded at a different value an hour later. Now, let's move into base and counter currency. Let's define them. In a currency pair, the first listed currency is the base currency, and the second one is the counter currency, or it can sometimes be called the quote currency. And here's an example. The euro here is the base currency as it's listed first, and the second one is the US dollar, the counter currency. Most currency pairs are quoted out to 4 decimal points, except for Japanese yen related currency pairs. For Japanese yen related currency pairs, they are quoted only out to 2 decimal points. And here's a list of examples. Does the currency quote look somewhat familiar? Is it kind of like the exchange rate? Are they actually the same or different? Our currency quote is basically an exchange rate. We just give it different names to be used for different situations. For example, in the Forex market, the USD Japanese yen currency quote is quoted at 112.11. At the bank, the exchange rate for USD to Japanese yen would be the same number. In the next lecture, you will learn about major currency and cross currency. Thank you guys for watching lesson number 2 Forex trading. If you want to find more materials, visit us on www.marketnewbie.com. Follow us on Facebook as well as our Instagram page. Hope to see you in the next lecture. Happy trading!